Alright guys, this is what I got done in a day of sanding so far. Had an old man came out and helped me out, so as you can see, you're definitely seeing some low spots. You know, gotta come back over and sand it all down so it matches pretty much, then primer it, and then sand the primer so it's flat. But you know, some of that paint's sticking pretty damn good, especially that green. And this hood was terrible to sand. And then the top is over here, flipped upside down. It's got a couple cracks in it in the corner over here. And my MIG is burning through it, so I'm gonna figure out some other way to weld that up. Borrow a buddy's welder or something that could do thin stuff. So that's pretty much where we're at right now. I'm gonna finish sanding it today, hopefully, at least the outside. Still gotta pull the seats and everything, pull and cover up anything I don't want to sand and paint here, and then patch up. I think I'm gonna do a couple of patches, one back here over the gas tank and a couple on the floor where there's some rust holes developing. We'll go from there, guys. Alright guys, this is where we're at through the holidays here. Coming back out to get the rest of her sanded off, but as you can see, it's a pretty clean Jeep. Tear right there, I'm gonna fix that the proper way, but otherwise there's not much Bondo on it. It's a real clean body, as I expected. So you can see there's just no real rust anywhere but the floorboards. So you can see someone else has painted over them. I'll hit him with the grinder and see how bad they are. That side's definitely got some Bondo on it. There's the hole back here. I'm gonna put a piece of sheet metal in and weld the hole up. This is what's left of the original mat, and that is one heavy freaking mat. So we'll get her cleaned up, tucked up, done the right way, and we will maybe get some speakers. So I'm definitely pulling the home insulation out of these speaker houses here. So, but yeah, we'll get her done the right way. We won't have such a crappy looking paint job, and we'll go from there, gentlemen. See you in a bit. Hi guys, how's it going? This is Nick and or Maverick, depending what you want to call me, contacting you in hindsight. Audio overing this video you're seeing. If you'll remember, several seconds ago in this video, I had stated the words that, hey, she's pretty damn clean body and Bondo free. I have since eaten those words because I was wrong. There was Bondo on the floorboards. I knew of it, and I knew there was a little bit of rust down there. What you're seeing now is a video recording of said holes from the bottom of the Jeep. It was worse than I thought. I have some GoPro footage I'll think about throwing in later in the video, maybe. But pretty much you're seeing the holes I found. So always remember to check that for that rust. It's probably there. So it's not really a big deal. Get it cut out. We'll get some good steel in its place. Not really sure what else to say about that. You know, it is what it is. Just always remember, check the floorboards pretty well. That's where you're going to find rust in old Jeeps. So, it was something I knew about. It was something I saw coming. I just had no idea it was covered up and it was that bad, and I should have checked better. So shame on me.